You want to save a snapshot of your pre-production service instance to a file, and then migrate the contents to a production environment. A snapshot is a backup file that enables you to restore your Oracle Analytics environment by capturing all or some of the components at a specific point in time. Snapshots can include all your workbooks with their associated data, classic content such as analyses, dashboards, and pixel-perfect reports, and application roles. Data is all the content created in data visualization, such as datasets, data flows, and data replications used in workbooks. Application role definitions control access to content and features in the cloud service. And classic content including data models and subject areas, and the catalog containing your workbooks, analyses, dashboards, and other content. First, navigate to the console in your pre-production environment, and then open the Snapshots page. Create a snapshot which contains the information that you want to migrate. Enter a meaningful description that will help you remember something about this snapshot. Consider taking a snapshot of the default configuration before anyone extends application role definitions. Remember that you can include everything in the snapshot or just pick and choose the components you want to capture. In this case, capture everything, and later when you restore the snapshot, you'll pick and choose what to pull into the production environment. The snapshot looks good so far. Next, begin the process for exporting the snapshot. You can export snapshots to your local directory or to Oracle Cloud Storage on the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. If you manage large snapshots, experience issues with exporting large snapshots to your local directory, or move snapshots between the cloud, the Oracle Cloud Storage option can be very useful. In this case, export the snapshot to your local file system and assign a password. This snapshot is a backup file that has a bar file type extension. Log out of your development environment and log into your production service. Navigate to the console and open the Snapshots page. Begin importing the snapshot. Find the exported snapshot on your local directory and enter the password. Importing makes the snapshot file available to the service. The snapshot import was a success. You use the Restore option to make artifacts saved in a file available in the production environment. Begin restoring the snapshot. Enter a reason for the snapshot restore to make it easier to troubleshoot the snapshot, just in case anything goes wrong. Next, choose the components you want to restore from the snapshot. You want to restore everything in the snapshot except the jobs and catalog folders, because you decided you don't want to migrate these to production. Deselect jobs, and then catalog content. Be careful when restoring a snapshot, as this can impact any users who are online and overwrite existing content in the cloud service. Be sure to sign out and sign back into the production environment to see the restored content. In this video, I showed you how to take a snapshot of your cloud service, save it to a file, and then use the snapshot to migrate content from a pre-production environment to a production environment. Check us out at docs.oracle.com.